how to upload horizontal videos to full screen videos on TikTok. That is, they are in a vertical format, covering the entire phone screen. This is for people who want to upload a video to TikTok, but this video was recorded from the side. Or in the case that you want to upload a YouTube video other than shorts, a series, a movie, which is normally recorded in this horizontal format, and you want to upload it to TikTok and cover the entire screen. And if we don't want only a piece of that recording to appear and the two dark spaces above and below the video, well, first of all, we will have to go to the upload bar in the plus sign in the bar down the phone, and we click on it. Here we can see that among the options we can record live ourselves and then upload it to the platform. But in this case we are going to look for a video that I have already recorded previously, and we show this here. We have this video that I use as a test for this tutorial, and we see that, okay, the video appears. But the video appears with those two dark spaces at the top and at the bottom of the video. That is precisely what we want to eliminate. Then what we will have to do is see the sidebar of the right side of the phone. Well, there's an option to edit. We will have to click on that option and we find ourselves in the video editing section that has TikTok. Here we can print the video, add text, add audio, anything. But in the case we are going to do is click on those scissors in the bar below that says edit. We click on it and among the options it appears the option to crop. We click on that option and here what it does is see what dimension the video will have to be able to upload it to the platform. We see that here you see the 1:1 which is a square, here the 16:9 which is the format in which it is already horizontal, but so that it can be uploaded in the full screen we set the 9:16 format. We give it and we see that the video is now in vertical format. Although well, here we see the smaller screen, but when the video is uploaded it will be able to cover the entire screen of the phone, or at least the vast majority of it. And here we see that it is already the two dark spaces that the horizontal video that we saw previously would normally have are not there. And well, we press play and at least in the case of the video that I recorded, I did it so that the car was as centered as possible. That is that no matter how much I move the phone, no matter how much I move the video, the car will not leave the square space. Since we see that this space is leaving and we see that this other space is leaving, but what we want is inside the frame, in the center of the video. So of course, in any way we can configure this, move it a little more here, move it a little more there. We can shrink the image so that it took specific things, but in this case this is perfect. So what we have to click on is in the save button in the lower right corner. We click on save and then we click on next in the right corner from above. We go to next, the configuration that we can make to the video appears. Put something in the description, tag someone, put a hashtag, etc. Since it is not relevant to the video, we are just going to click on the publish button. Here the start bar of the TikTok application appears and we see that there is the upper left corner. We see how our video is loading. So we will have to wait for it to load, but it will appear in our profile. And ready, the video has already been uploaded. Here we have it in the private part because I put it so that I can only see it. If you want anyone, your followers, to see it, make it public, you put it in the privacy settings that you see in the lower right corner. Now we can see that the video is completely vertical. It no longer has the black spaces at the top and at the bottom. And that's it. We can now upload a horizontal video so that it looks completely vertical in the TikTok application format. Thank you very much for reaching this point in the video. I hope it has been useful. Remember to subscribe, like the bell to notify you to see if there are other videos so you can see them too. I hope you liked the video. Have a great day. Bye.